Hey everyone, today we will carve Mandibular Central Incisor. First of all, as usual, we will mark the required measurements of the tooth. According to other teeth, mesiodistal of Mandibular Central Incisor is very narrow, so we will use this ratio. Crown length is 2 units, mesiodistal width is 1 unit, and also labial lingual thickness is 1.2 units. And also you can mark each corner of the tooth. And now we will get rid of the excess soap particles. From mesial aspect, looks like a triangle. 1/3 incisal is straight and convex through cervical on the labial, and cervical line is closer to the incisal margin. And we will mark corners of the triangle. After drawing inclinations of the tooth, we will cut it with a plaster knife. Don't overcut the incisal edge, leave some thickness there. From incisal view, labiolingual length is more than mesiodistal length. Mesial and distal half of the crown are symmetric. Incisal edge is straight, concavity is less. Also, tooth gets narrower to the cingulum, so we have to cut this line. Mandibular central incisors labial face is wider than the lingual face. Since the incisal edge is on the lingual, labial face can be seen more than the lingual face. Now we will round the corners with pushing motions. We have to smoothen the corners. Always remember that we are trying to create an exact 3D replica of the tooth. Probably the hardest part is lingual face, so be careful while cutting. In mandibular central incisors, the cingulum is slighter than the maxillar central incisors. From mesial view, cingulum convexity is less obvious. Also, incisal edge is on the lingual. Lingual face is concave from incisal than convex on the cingulum. Also, cingulum located more closer to the cervical line. And incisal edge slightly on the lingual face. We will continue adjusting corners by pushing motions. Always get some support with your other fingers. Check your carving from each dimension. And here, mesial corner angle is narrower than distal corner angle. Mesial corner is higher than distal corner, as usual. Since there is no formation on the labial face, this surface is totally smooth. So there will be no grooved grooves like the maxillary central incisor. After then, we will clean knife marks with the sponge. You can fix the soap tray, it will look better. Now we will shape the lingual face. In the lingual, marginal ridges are not very obvious, like maxillary central and lateral incisors. There is no obvious concavity on the incisal margin. Cingulum convexity is less than maxillary central and lateral incisors. Also, lingual surface is concave. And again we will mark like M ladder. Now we will carve the marginal ridges. You can also use the other side of the wax knife. With smaller carver you will have more control on the tooth, so it will be more careful. Then we will carve check, and here this heel is too much, we will smoothen this side. And now Seren will show us how to polish like a master. We got some cool tricks. First of all, we get rid of all knife marks. Do it gently. Then step 2 will be socks. With small amount of water it will shine. Next trick is satin. Rub the tooth slowly with satin, and it will shine bright like a diamond. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.